everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to overlay videos using Filmora 9. Let's get started now. Here is an example project which watched at the beginning of this tutorial. Let's clear the timeline so that you can follow easier. Firstly, drag the clip which you're going to use on the timeline. This clip will be the background track. Let's mute the audio as I don't need it. In order to overlay other videos on this background track, all you need is to drag the clip you want to overlay and put it on top of the background track. I will remove the audio of this clip too. Now you need to double-click on the overlay track. Click on Video on the Effect menu. Then check the box Compositing. Finally, find the Overlay option at this drop-down menu. Select it. Being noticed that you can adjust the opacity of the overlay track with this slider. Then click OK to preview the result. Let's render the timeline so that you can watch the video smoother. If you're going to add any video effect, or transition stuff in Filmora, don't forget to use this render button so that you can preview your project smoothly. Okay. Here's the result. That's how you can overlay videos in Filmora 9. It's very simple, right? I hope you liked the tutorial. If you want to learn more about Filmora 9, click on the end screen annotation. This is my complete beginner tutorial video for Filmora 9. Thanks very much for watching and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.